Patay siya habang siya'y natutulog. You've witnessed yung sinabi ni Dominic na narinig nilang umuungol. This is something na nasaksihan mo yourself.
Something that I've always been scared of.
At ikwento mo yun, like for example.
Ilang beses na nangyari. Like, you know, we've been working since mula sa kung saan ka man, you know. Lunch break, we'd sleep, all of us, and then like, everybody would say na maingay si Rico mag-snore. But there was one instance where we were doing God to Believe, and I was shooting. I had to run from the other room because we were distracted by his snore. So when I saw him, parang he couldn't breathe anymore. And I was kicking him already, and I was saying, Rico, what's happening to you? And he was, wala, parang naninigas ka na. And then when he woke up, he was coughing and coughing, and he was choking. So, yun.